Tubanyambe sente naziteeka mwalu wa campaign jajja mwami omanye ebintu bye wandaga sagala bigamba public. I don't want the public to know how president yakwa avoidinga. Tulieri wa rich tumunoonyeza buyambi bu okitegeera ali mu kuprayinga victim mbusi mulwadde ebyo kuprayinga ebya sente mbu you're rich and you're not rich is bad. Twina Facebook anyway. I'm not faking the love. Chenabadde njagala Bryan White adengulu naye kati munange omulada aliko oxygen akuba n'essimu kyeki. Kitegera era this is mature. Kambawireko you fake dons. Nze nakuwa bantu ba pretending a fake. H245. You're home in the house because you don't have money for the hospital. We are trying to collect money. Kubanga manyi this year my baby mbu this year you're nearly dead. Okitegera buli muntu ali mu epidemic and you just playing cool. Okitegera you cannot be relevant. So right now namukubidde simu ng'owulira nangamba it's okay yogera n'abantu aye tugenze ku live ali mu playing ambutagwangamu. Okitegeera muyambe ntya hani muyambe ntya okujjako era okukunganya kesi bamuziike. Anti era ngenda mwesonyiwa oba afiira mu nju afiire mu depression ze. It means ebyo byonna bye nalaba yali amfakinga. He wasted my time. Okitegeera he can talk. That's why nakubidde Frank Gashumba nangamba Bryan is not sick. Ali mu depression yakumujjako basirikale takyalina sente. And I was still on his side. Ate ali mukumakinga mu nze nsobola mbu ninga akola gundi okubba. Awa ali mu political games aŋŋambe. Saagala nzijjeko waya kunjogeza bingi. Omanyi baby me nze nfuna sente zange in any way I get my money. Naye ate for Bryan White he can stop to be relevant to public bamuyambe. Okitegeera if it's relevant to public mbwa is looking for sympathy tebigenda kola. Yeah, unless yali amfakinga byonna byonna nti mulwadde. Jovia yansindikidde akakadde kamu badde ngenda keera nakasacho kali mugamba rich mbu tagwangamu. Tumunoonyeza support nze tebagimpa nze nkola sente zange. Ayagala kunfuula mbu mulaga kyokka talina wadde n'ekikumi ne wali. Okitegeera tugezaako Juliet Zawedde agenda muyamba bani bagenda muyamba ave kundi. Why he doesn't go in hospital? He's broke, babe. Abantu ano tebanneebaka n'otulo twababuze dda. Sagala naye sagala bintu bintabula. Being relevant, it's a prison. If you're broke, you're broke. You accept your block. Jaja mwami, I love you very much. Mbusente zadi bagenda okusondera. It's not a big money to me. I work. Only one so far. Why are you in the house? Unless ori mukutuzanyira, you're playing us emotionally. You're playing us the public emotionally. You're hiding your political issues in us. Waba wagwamu kiriza nti wagwamu abantu bakuyambe bakutwale mu ddwaliro owone in good peace. Bwaba tuzanyira ku bwongo tugambe I visited you n'okabanga ekintu kikutuga kati yogerera ku ssimu. What is that us? Ongena kunjogeza n'oluzigora ebigyonteke. Nakubidde simu ku saa 12 gyo vyasindisa akakadde kamu. Nongamba mbu yes, it's okay. It's okay. Gamba abantu banyambe sente naziteeka mwalu wa campaign. Jajja mwami omanye ebintu bye wandaga. Sagala bigamba public. I don't want the public to know how president yakwa avoidinga. Jajja mwami oli mukwano gwange nze wankabya amaziga nga nkusanze mweyembeera, but if that embeera is fake, wake up okole sente abantu bagwamu. No, I don't have a friend how. It's mukwano gwange. Tuli ku live, we are fundraising sente agene mu ddwaliro. Agamba mbu tayetaaga fundraising. If you're not needing a fundraising, what are you doing on the bed? Why are you bedridden? Namwe muondeke. Twekozeemu omulimu nkubidde abaswidi ogamba twetaaga buyambi. Najja nenkulaba ng'ofa. Ekikubeeze waka because you're broke. Stop playing relevantly, my dear. Low down. Low down. Be low. Otandise kuwira lichi masimu. Mbusimanya bichi. I don't need that small money. Me, I do a big deal. Wechitegere ya tuwe tugenda kugwira mukene. Tugurire nakati. Tugurire nyanya. Ani mukwano go. That's why people are empty on podium. Kati nkoye nawe. Inkuyamba ocha praying ambu oli mugaga. Abantu bonna bakulekawo mukwano. Stay low, people, they help you, you're broke. Ebyo byozuukuka mukwano, you're not a munyankole. Tova rakitula. Tova nyautarama. You're not coming from any. You're chilumila. You are Muganda. Nchitegera. So stop playing relevant. Stop playing me. Nzesi playing a game. I'm an emotional woman. I'm a mom. If you needed help, you need help. You're broke, you cannot afford a hospital. If you cannot afford a hospital, either you're faking the government or you're gonna kulaba Museveni. Sagala bino bintunze binzijako na sawa zino. Tuli warichi, zaweda kirizo kuyamba. Abantu wana kirizo kuyamba, ogene mudwalyo. Woba toina chikuluma, why are you avoiding hospital? Oloza mu Uganda go omugaso nnyo jajja mwami gubagenda okuta. Nayogede nawe ku simu nongamba it's okay. Nefuna esimu ya Sam Kutesa, nefuna esimu ya Honorable ani simanyi kiri biki. Nefuna omuntu abera ne General Muhoozi. Nganjagala mbanyonyole mbagambe Brian White yetaaga obuyambi. Bwanga you're playing your dirty games, don't prey on innocent souls. If you're not sick, wake up, accept brokenness. Sagara nokunza insambu simanya bad black abichi. I'm not looking any motivating unza bad jaja mwami Brian White. Nwezi ba sente mekanze sina zinzagaza. Nze nkuba sente mkwano. Gwe wangambye ngende ku live. Nengenda ku live. Nyinyonyodde abantu tokyalina sente bakuyambe ate oli mukuba masimu mutewetaaga buyambi wetwale mu ddwaliro oba yimukawo wansi w'oli mutuzannyira obuzannyo. Your drama is too much. Don't pray your innocent soul mbadde nkuwolereza. Serena, even I'm not attacking you. Wake up! Wake up! Wake up! Wake up, baby. People get mad and get broke. You understand? Abantu bafuna sente, never fuka broke. And they move on, they work another money. If you're broke, wake up, we do another deal. Together. Tonkozesa, because I'm public figure, nina attention. If Juliet Zawede was willing to help you, Susan was willing to help you, and you come out like I'm faking. Brand White, this wine is not your money. Send us on Nazidia Daniziguao, Nazikola Mubia, Nazikola Munizimda Mama, getting Kolabiona. Together. You don't come spell my name that is savage. It's not savage, baby. Wake up. Nchenjagala nze nawe tukole toda praying a victim mbu you're rich. You're not rich, you're broke. Broke like a rat, a Rundian rat. When you're broke, you bow down. People so they can help you. Nkubide abantu esimu, nkubide bakoni esimu, Zaria nkubide. Everyone has called me because of your faking sickness. If you're faking sickness, wake up and accept the brokenness. My dear. Totuteka kubunkenke. Me, I came to visit you. I was so emotional. You're broke. Toina the security agula gate. And you're here. Oriwa richi, orimumugamba. Bryan, kiriza abantu bakuyambe. Bwanga orimulamu yimuka mukwano n'obutako obulungi nnyo. Tokozesa ano bantu. Don't use me for my fame. I'm not here to pray victim. I don't pray victim. I accept if I'm broke, I wake up, I work. I do what? I work for money. Abantu ano kwe bayite banebaka. Ochimanyi boo. Akuwide rich. Do you know how it feels? Katuwanka biza maziga gachi. Can you pay my tears? I don't have anything for free. Can you pay my tears, bitch? Don't play in Gidako games so. If Museveni refused to see you, he refused to see you because you're a terrorist. You dealt with a terrorist. Ochitegera. Wanda ga video bulungi nnyo. Simanyi ogula kuba yekere mundu ne muzoza. And I got scared on your information. Nakubira semwai. Toda mnaye kunsiri walira kumwanu ku media, my baby. We are we good. Bwema njagala sente z'okubba mbeera nzeetaaga za kubba. Sibbira ku balwadde. Okitegera. Ondaze oli mulwadde ekintu kikunyoola oliko oxygen. That's why people they call it gas cylinder. And I'm here sympathizing with you. I'm here one slut standing on your side. Don't bring your epidemic on me. You feel me? Don't bring your epidemic on me. Don't fool auntie but de njagala kubba busente oba vandalizing. You're broke. And we can't help. We can't afford. So people are helping. And you're here trying to prove. Nayogede nawe nongamba it's okay. Shanita uli wange omuntu yena tuyamba it's okay. Atemaze atola bekintu kigenda viral atokyusa. Tukoyo tuzanyira ku bwongo tweke tulonda akalulu bulungi. I don't want. Okitegera bwemanze njagala kulyamu ssente gwe Bryan White. Ntunda n'okuguluko okutaliiko nnyama. Ondaba. I can sell your leg which doesn't have fresh. Sia, baby, okimanyi mbu azze ku live n'anfuula mbu ndi mubbi. Musimanya tanasabako buyambi. Oli wansi kati okay. If you're rich or innocent, why are you not going to hospital? You don't take me in your political matters. Tonzanyisa buzanyo bwa game bwa political. I'm not a politician. Sina nandanga muntu eronda. I'm satisfied in any part I am. Namwe munda kana oluzungu. Oshitegeera. Tina Facebook nawe. Tomalako mirembe. You drove me emotionally. And I was like, oh, Richie, this man is broke. Let us hope. Kati watu wali mulade kale vako tambule kubanga oyogerera ku simu okubyene ku live gye bakwogerako. You on social media, you're playing you're sick. We are trying to fight for your life. Kumbo oli mulamu. What is that in mingo? Wabula wana Uganda tujogeddwa. Nga nayogera nawe. Ne kumaja ku saa 12. Boo. Darora kumeka. Bananga bagaga mubazi katuna sente za mwezi gonye sina zenja kazanze ndi mukozi. What are you on? Why are you making people to look like fool? Baba no kwe bali bawochinga ate sigena nakajayo. If you're sick, wanga bambu sente waziteeka mu alua zona. And I bad black the last person you invested in. I came with good heart, kind soul, pure. Mwabasoma temujja kuno mukwano oba wasoma ebitabo ngobera UK German mukwano gende wa kitaawo oba gende wa nnyoko. This is my personal page, so I don't need to address you bitches and sluts and gays. I'm not here to tolerate your nonsense. I'm not entertainer. I'm not a musician. I'm not a comedian. I'm a civilian. So you love civilian, you watch or you mute. Fuck you. Shtegera. Twale shali ku important reason. Jajja mwami nakubidde simu kumacha. Asha was it sawa mka 12. Ndiangambia atiabu. It's very fine. Olumbe ruba really you're very sick ngolumbe rukuruma mukwana accept adapt. Accept adapt. Omanyi kalieni mkuprayinga victim mbuka gaga. You're broke baby. Tufuna obuyambi oba oli mulwadde unless you're just predicting or you're just faking sickness. You're looking for president's attention. President asobola kujja kulaba mukwano. Wadiringa naba yekera tasobola kujja kulaba. Kitegeera. So the one thing you can do, you save your anas, you save your asso. Wake up on that pretendence, you work money. Nze sagala kuyamba muntu yefuula victim na nfuula mbu ndi mubi. Okitegeera. Don't use social media or a public figure like your weapon. President will not see you. President Museveni is not going to meet you. Kubanga you already met labels. Wa meeting abayekera. I myself with my eyes I witnessed ngondage mundu nga mzoza na amasasi mu president yabikozesa. Eshitegeera. So you would have prayed cool. Nze kyendi wano saagala sente zesifunye ogamba abantu mbu nali I'm looking for charity. If you're faking sickness, wake up and we work another money. A thief will always stay a thief. A thief will always stay a thief. Ngenzeri ku Snapchat ndajanye. I'm not sidaja nambura kubamba sentence bagenda kuwanyi simena adi bagenda kuyamba. Ne if you're really sick ngomradde okuba n'essimu, it means you faked me, you used me, motherfucker. Kati ono kamu blocking, and I don't deal with the fucking fake account. Gwesimanya Joy Sente. RIP. Go blocking idwa. In viewers, I don't gain anything. Oshtegera. Me, I deal with real people. When I'm broke, yes, but black, you're broke. I'm broke. Airport in Sibogenda yita mutako. My first point. Ogenda yita mutako. Jajja mwami, nze nakwagalako. Okitegera. Nazze okuyamba ne mukazi wo kyatasobola. But I remembered I cherished those things you did for me. Okitegera. Those little things you did for me, it means a lot. But you know what? Njagala okuva ne leero kiyite. If you want to invite me in anything, don't invite me in games. I'm not a political person. I'm just an influencer. Just Yoba is a socialite. I don't need even to know. I don't need them. They don't feed me. If you wanted to use me to meet Museveni, wandingambye. Oli ku oxygen yesimu ojogereddeko otya. Sagala bintu byakunkozesa manyanga. Kati balekeyo okutuwa sentral we tutaalye. Okay. Vandalization money will not come. Kai katwayo tunabeerawo. Brian White, I want you to wake up in your comment. Katikane chachinya kuwirako. You wanted power. Chechimu. You wanted whatever ekintu kyowazimba. Nze Brian White golaba. Nze ndi muntu genuine. So when I find someone is using me for granted, I get so pissed. When someone texts me, I beg you, Bob Wine, if you're going to visit Brian White, don't. Nze omuntu wankozesa. Ngobadde ofekinze games zo zonna zifa. You're praying you're rich, you're broke. That's why you're not in a hospital. You're not sick. Omulwadde ayogerera atya ku ssimu n'akuba n'essimu n'afuna agoogera. Onkozesa ebintu by'amazzi. Nze I'm not a politician. Lwaki onkyaya abantu? Nze saaliyo gye mwateeseza ne Museveni. Mbusimanya omugulize Emundu. Eyo essimu yo gy'oyina. And you know what? You think I'm not safe here? Nakuwaabira ddamu sseemwayi. Da. Saagala onkozesenga bintu by'amajjanga. I want a real people in my life.